I think you never use this tip with Midjourney. You can control your color accents on your images with the percents in the prompt. In this example, you can see 5% red stripe. So the full image is 100% and the 5% is only filling of this image with these two stripes. Stay here and I will show you more examples how you can use this tip. Here 15% of red color, and really it works here. 15% of red cloth on this character, so 15% of full image. And here I tried to use more details. It works but not perfectly. We don't see the black metal here and only slightly gold here. Another tip, you can use the percents for glowing lights. So it's maybe fluorescent, luminescent, LED lights, LED color essence, something like this. And it works perfectly on your images if you want to add some catchiness. Another example, we have the black wear here and we have the shiny orange print on this jacket, and I just added 5% of fluorescent wear, and we have this print having fluorescent accent with glowing lights. So it works nice here and here. That's because the persons going after the print, these print words, so they connected together and we have the fluorescent print, but we have also this mark here. I also tried to add the 5% blue lights here, but we can see the green lights. This is because Midjourney just swapped this color, and this is okay and happening sometimes. In this example, we have 5% red stripes print, but we have not the 5%. It's around 30, maybe around 30% of full image for the red stripes. So yes, this works not perfectly, but you can play with this, have some experiment, and add some catchiness, some color essence to your images. I have a Telegram channel and you can join it to check the prompts I found on Midjourney showcase page. I posting the prompts here daily and the images. So mostly this is what I found on Midjourney page, but sometimes this is my own prompts. So it's like the big prompt collection, prompt base. The link will be in the description.